What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of King Customs. And for those of you who are new to the channel, my name is Ryan, so welcome aboard. Now, for those of you who have been following, thanks for showing up again. I much appreciate it. So let's just dump right into the video. So what's going on, guys? Like I told you, we have a project going on with this 2007 Corolla right behind me, and as you can see, the engine's already out. Now, I did not take any clips of me pulling out the engine. One, because it's just me filming and I forgot to bring my film stand, so right now I'm using a little Gorilla Pod. Two, it's cold as hell in here and I just did not have the patience to set up the camera to pull everything out and then move around with it by myself. And three, it was a pain to pull it out. I ended up crushing the license plate and now I have to get a new one. But we're going to do that at the end of everything. But anyway, the engine's out, the transmission's out, everything is out, and it's sitting on a tire. So what I have to do now is remove the transmission from the engine, which I'm going to work on now, and then get it set up on the stand. Once it's set up on the stand, I'm going to have proper step-by-step videos on how it breaks down, or I might just do little clips of me breaking it down, and then I might do an entire rebuild step by step. I'm not sure how I'm gonna do this yet, but while I'm working, I'll be thinking of it as well. Sorry if you hear a little wind noise on the side. That is because I have a electric heat in here and it is freezing, like I said, so I'm trying to keep as warm as I can. The heat's right here by my side and I don't really feel much. Oh, I feel something. My hand is feeling warm and nice and good. So yeah, so a little bit about this engine. It is a 2007 Toyota Corolla. This car was purchased by my brother-in-law first. Then it was handed down. What had happened was when we had tried to trade this vehicle in, we were told that there was over 400,000 miles on the car. The car disappeared for a couple years. No one knows where the car's been, what has happened. So obviously, with that being super sketchy, we decided to look more into it. So we ended up finding out that the car supposedly really does have 400,000 miles and probably has been stolen. We're not sure, but the title is actually registered. It's not even salvage, but it says not actual mileage, meaning that they don't know the actual mileage. So maybe someone in DMV messed up. We don't know. We don't think it's stolen. Because it was sold to us by a dealer. So after further investigating and going to the DMV and trying to figure out everything that was going on, they ended up telling us that it could be someone wrote down the wrong mileage and the car is actually good because the odometer says it has 100,000 miles, but in reality the paper says there's 400,000 miles in the facts, in the Carfax. So we don't know what we're gonna do. So what we decided to do was to pull out the entire motor because we saw a slight leak coming from the it looks like from where the head gasket is. Now, some people I've spoke to told me that head gaskets don't really show signs of oil leaks. If the water and oil has mixed, then it will. But I don't know. From the looks of it, once I pull off this exhaust manifold, I'll show you where it looks like the leak's from. Because the valve cover gasket's completely dry and clean. But then when you look where the head is meeting the block and the gasket's right there, it's a tiny little bit of seepage coming down. So to me, that's what it looks like. So we decided, since no one really knows how many miles are on this motor or what's going on with it, I'm just going to tear it down and rebuild it back up. I am certain once I rebuild this, it'll be way better than the dealership rebuild, only because I take extra precaution in what I build. I love to let what I build last forever, so we're going to do it my way. Now, usually I know people are going to say nothing lasts forever, and that's true, but the way I build things, it'll last a very long time. We're going to take that and make it into a King Customs custom, if that makes any sense. So guys, I'm super excited for you all to be following me on this journey of rebuilding this motor. This is officially going to be part 1 of the Toyota Corolla rebuild series. Now, for my Avalanche lovers out there, if you guys do not want to follow this build and you rather wait until I come out with another Avalanche video, that's fine. You can tune off and you can just stay up to date with my channel until I post another Avalanche video. But if you guys do want to follow along, which I urge you do because it will be fun, I promise that, you'll learn a lot, please stay tuned with it and just keep viewing. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And anything that you want to see on this particular engine build, just please leave it in the comment section below, and I'll be sure to get back to you with a video response and or writing. But mostly I like to do video response for you all.